Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cool After Effects style outro but using only Capcut. No complex software needed. This is quick, clean and totally free. Let's get started. First, just create a photo collages like this. Make sure it's in portrait ratio, and once you have got your collages, just open your Capcut and then make new projects and import your photo. Now add a keyframe at the beginning and then position the photo at the bottom like this, and then go to the end of the clips, then add another keyframe, then move the photo up to the top like this. Next, just duplicate the photo and set the duplicate as an overlay like this. After that, just position it like this. So it will create a scroll effects like this. Then repeat these steps 2 or 3 times to make a scroll longer and smoother. After that, just export the video. Now create a new project and import the video that you just exported. And then choose the ratio to square. Then adjust the speed as you want. I will adjust mine like this. Then duplicate the video and add the duplicate as an overlay again. Then position the two clips side by side like this. Now reverse the overlay clip to create a opposite scroll effects like this. And then just export again. Then create one more new project again and import your last video. Then set the durations like this. Then duplicate again to make it longer. Then go to Effects, choose Video Effects, and then search for wide angle. Then set the intensity to maximum, like this. Next, just duplicate the effects to make it stronger. Then add the chromatic blur effects to give it that extra cinematic touch. This one. Adjust the intensity. Now add your text. Just type whatever you want. Maybe like I will type "Thanks for watching" like this, and then just customize the font, style, and animation as you like. Add animations like this. Then adjust the opacity of the clips like this. After that, just add an out animations to your last clips. I will add fade out. Okay? Like this. And that's it. You have just created your very own After Effects style outro completely in Capcut. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.